Yo, what's good, fam? You trying to learn how to get that Forex bag? Hit that like button real quick. It's like taking profit early. Helps us grow, helps you grow. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, today, we talking about how to catch those perfect trades, you know? Forex ain't just about buying and selling. It's about strategy, patience, and knowing when to strike. So, let's break it down. First up, we gotta look at the charts. I want you to focus on the 1-minute candles. Yeah, I said 1 minute. That's where the action is. You want to identify the high and low of the first 30 minutes when the market opens. Mark those levels down. That's your opening range. It's like setting up the foundation before building a house. You feel me? Now once you got those levels marked, you're waiting for the price to break above or below. But don't just jump in like a kid at a candy store. Nah, you want to see some strong displacement. That means you need to see the price moving with momentum, like a freight train. When it breaks through, wait for that retest. It's like the market giving you a second chance. If it hits your level again and bounces, that's your cue to enter. Set your stop loss just below the low of the candle for a buy, or above for a sell. Keep it tight, keep it smart. Now let's talk targets. I'm all about that 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. So if you're risking 20 pips, you want to aim for 40 pips in profit. It's simple math, but it works. Patience is key though. Sometimes you gotta let the trade play out. Don't be like the cat who sees a mouse and goes for it without thinking. Watch the charts, and let the price action guide you. If you see some pushback near your target, don't be afraid to take those profits early. It's better to bank a little than lose it all. Another thing I want to emphasize is the importance of news events. Pay attention to economic calendars. High-impact news can shake up the market like a blender, and you don't want to be caught in the middle of that storm. If there's a big announcement coming, you might want to sit on the sidelines or tighten your stops. Keep your emotions in check. Trading is like a roller coaster. There'll be ups and downs, but stay focused. Stick to your plan, and don't let fear or greed mess with your head. Now let's break it down even further. Look for confluences. That means when you see multiple indicators aligning, like a trend line, support, resistance, and your opening range levels. That's where the magic happens. The more confirmations you got, the better your chances of success. And don't forget to review your trades. At the end of the week, look back and see what worked and what didn't. Learning from your mistakes is key to growing as a trader. As we wrap this up, remember to stay disciplined, set a trading schedule and stick to it. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, but keep your cool. Like I always say, slow and steady wins the race. You want to build that account up over time, not blow it all on one wild trade. Treat this like a business, and you'll see the fruits of your labor. Just keep grinding and keep learning. So there you have it, fam. That's how you catch those perfect trades and work your way to success in Forex. If you found this valuable, hit that follow button so you don't miss out on future gems. Together, we're gonna get rich, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Let's make it happen. Until next time, stay safe, trade smart, and let's get that money.